So today you're just going to learn purely how do you remove the spark plugs from a BMW R NineT Racer, the hark back to the 70s race bike. Let's have a look. So you're going to need a T30. You're going to need a extension. You're going to need a 14mm thin wall socket because BMW love using thin walls. You need a torque ratchet, you need a ratchet, you need a spring pull for the cover on each cylinder to pull the covers for the spark plug. And then if you want to treat yourself, get this tool, which is a BMW ignition coil puller, and it's really good at pulling out ignition coils. That's the tools you're going to need. So, got a lovely coil pack here. Ready?
No. Thin wall only. Cool.
Twin spark. Oh, it's been in there forever. Black as the ace of spades, that. The next cylinder is a repeat of the first one. Fixing, fixing, fixing. And only now, after you take this cover off, do you get access to the bottom ignition coil. You still got to take this cover off though. And with this coil pack, you just got to keep wiggling until it pops out.
Wiggle it. It's been on there for a long time. Yay, well done.
Should I do this one first? The reason he's able to do it is because the extension has a diamond cut edge on it, so it's grippable. With cheap tools, you don't get that, you just get the chrome vanadium, and this means no cross-threading, no mistakes.
Yeah, cooked, innit? It's been there forever. Let's put a fresh one in, shall we?
Jesus, that's proper black, that is.
Yeah. No, it'll feel a bit weird. Careful, you smack yourself in the face then. You gotta be careful. See how easy that was though? And those spring pullers are like 99 pence. Okay, so get yourself one. It's the sort of thing you might use on these. It's really, really cheap and easy to use. Right on, I like you pushing down on it, that's good. can go right and left with it. It's moving, it's coming out. There you are. Nice and easy now. You don't want to be tugging on these wires. That's it. I let it dangle just nicely. Sweet. Well done.
The trickiest part is just getting to that cover that holds the center spark plug. And you just got to be ultra careful not to cross thread the spark plugs. But apart from that, so this is one of the easier race bikes to change spark plugs on. So yeah, I hope this has helped you. Thanks for watching. Got a coffee.